Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the discovery of cell and cell theory. Before moving to the main topic, we must learn about the cell. What is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of a living organism. So why do we call it a structural unit? The question arises. You might have seen construction of a building. How is it made? It is made up of bricks, right? One brick, two bricks, many bricks combined together and form a building. That's why the structural unit of a building is a brick. In the same way, an organism is made up of many cells, right? So here we can see cells performing similar functions and origin from tissue. Tissues of related functions form an organ. Many organs combine together and form organ system. And finally, organ systems combine together to form an organism. So, finally we can see an organism is made up of cell, and cell is the structural unit. Next question, why is it called functional unit? Why is it called a functional unit? Because it can ingest. We can understand it as, suppose it is a cell. This one is a cell. So if it needs food, it can take it inside. If it needs water, it can take it inside. As we take food and water, a cell can also ingest. Next, like our digestive system digest food. In the same way, a cell can digest these food and water and utilize it. Right, ingest. A cell can ingest. Ingest means like we excrete waste material as stool and urine. In the same way, a cell can ingest its waste material out of its body. It can respire as we do. Respiration. A cell can also respire. It can grow. It grow in size. It can reproduce. Like this cell can grow and it will get divided into two. So what it is doing? It is multiplying. Again this cell will grow fully and it will divide again into two, and it performs various metabolic activities for its survival. So we can see here that it can perform all the functions what a living organism perform, like a human can perform for its survival. A cell can also perform all these functions, so it is called as functional unit. Now you might have got why is it called structural unit and functional unit, right? Now we will move to the topic, that is discovery of cell. Who has discovered it? Who has discovered it? Robert Hooke in 1605 first observed dead cells in the cork under compound microscope and named it as cell. It was a dead cell, so he could see only the cell wall. As it was a plant cell, he could see cell wall and named it as cell. So moving to the next, Purkinje. Purkinje was a scientist, gave the term protoplasm for the jelly-like living substances of the cell. Robert Brown observed a spherical body in the cell called nucleus. Kolliker proposed the term cytoplasm to the living material surrounding the nucleus. So we can understand it like this. Suppose this is a cell, right? So whatever material is present inside this is the cell membrane. Cell membrane. So whatever is present inside it, these are called protoplasm, except the cell membrane. So Durkheim gave the term protoplasm for this thing. Robert Brown observed a spherical body inside it. It is called nucleus. It is present inside the protoplasm. And Kolliker proposed the term cytoplasm to the living material surrounding the nucleus, means from this nuclear membrane to this plasma cell, plasma membrane are the cytoplasm. So you might have understood this. We will study structure of cell in more details in the next video. Now the cell theory. What is cell theory? It was put forth by two scientists, Sladen and Sohn, in 1839. So first thing what he said was every living organism is made up of one or many cells. A cell is the structural and functional unit of a living organism. New cells arise by division of the pre-existing cell. So these 2 points I have discussed earlier. What does it mean? And this, the new cell arise by division of the pre-existing cell. So this is the cell. It will grow and divide into two. Again it will grow and divide into two, and likewise, right? So all the cells are arising from the pre-existing cells. So these are the three basic things that was mentioned in the cell theory. So we will study in details about the structure of cells in the next video. Till then, bye and take care. Thank you.